Welcome back to the Anima channel. Last week we showed how to import a Figma design and start altering it. This week we're going to go a little bit deeper and also show how to add a brand new page to your website. It's going to be fun. Okay, now let's get a little bit crazy, okay? I'm writing in the text, instead of the 3 buttons on the top, put 4 tabs there with the titles that I chose. It's the first time we're actually changing the structure of the page. So let's see how it goes, shall we? Ah, cool. I did it. Clickable buttons. That worked a little bit too well. I have to try something even crazier. We'll do 2 things. A, we're going to add clickable actions on the new tabs that we just added. And I want to change the text on the top to TBD capital and remove the icon. Let's see how it goes. Certainly, I'll implement these changes right away. It's amazing. I love how upbeat everything is in vibe coding. If my developers were ever this giddy and upbeat, that would be very suspicious. Okay, it changed the TBD capital and removed the icon. Now let's see. Contact us. All the way down, just like I asked. Value, move to features. So it works. And when you click Teams, it doesn't do anything because I didn't put in the instructions for that. That's pretty cool. Actions, you can put in actions. Well, that's amazing. Let's do some heavy editing. Let's go to where the team should be right here. Right now, these are real stories, but I'm placing in the text instructions. 1, where it says real stories from satisfied customers, change it to something. Remove 2 cards and keep 1 and put my name on it. Roy Ben Youssef, put it as partner, and take the text from my LinkedIn description. Also remove the stars. Let's see how it works. Look at that. It changed everything. It left 1 card and it took from my LinkedIn. It's not actually written there. But it's all true. Now let's try something. I'll upload a profile picture and say, host this as Roy profile picture good looking. Ah, look at that. Even though I didn't tell him where to put it, he knew exactly where I am from context. The image is a little bit misshapen, but we'll fix it next. I got a question about adding a brand new page and not just scrolling down. So you see that there's a button here for Figma. And then if you take a design and you paste the Figma link here, then it asks you, how would you like to get to this screen? So I'm asking by clicking on the tab button labeled portfolio on top. Might be a little too specific. Let's see how it goes. So it will take a little bit because it needs to import and build a brand new layout and then add the action to it. Let's see how it goes. Now let's try. Portfolio opens a brand new page. See? It worked. We got a lot of things accomplished today. I hope it was fun for you as it was for me. See you next time. And if you have questions or requests, please let me know in the comments.